A sustainable online business is simply one that can generate income in a long run. And these days, when everyone trying to make money online, a new businesses are starting and falling every day. And how you can actually sustain in this competitive online game. Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video, I am going to tell you of 5 fundamental ways to keep your online business alive. And these are very small yet powerful things. Just follow these tips so you can actually see a huge impact in not only your just business but in your entire life and can actually generate a stable online income. So let's get started. So first of all, revamp your mindset. And I know it might sound a cliche, but the mindset is everything. If you want to build a sustainable online business, you need to build a serving mindset, a giving mindset. And yeah, I know that you might be thinking that the main motive of business is to earn profit, and I totally agree. But if you run your business with the sole purpose of generating big high profits in a short while with an average product and no intention of actually, giving your customer something valuable, you will only succeed for a short run. I mean, you may earn profit for a while, but this way you cannot run a marathon because no matter how much you spend on marketing, in the end, it's the quality of your product and its actual value. Its usefulness that make you people come back to you again and again. And you may know that there are many videos, so many courses out there telling you to build an online business in 72 hours or maybe in 7 days or make money online with shortcuts. But if you really wanna have a sustain your business or have a sustainable online business and make profits for not just a days or month, you need to think about the audience. You need to think about your clients and their needs and their wants, and then think if your product actually helping them. Is your product, whatever it is, a physical or a digital product or some kind of specialized service, you need to think, is your product actually solving a real life problem of your target audience. Another thing that is dragging you down in your online business is a rat race. So quit the rat race. If you want to make a long running successful online business, so just stop chasing your competitor. And I know you want to stay in the competition. You do want to become better than your competitor. In fact, keeping an eye on your competitor is not bad, but you have to find your own unique selling point. Okay, that is what we say, USP. You have to tell your audience how you are different from your competitors instead of showing them how you are copy pasting the same old stuff. Because if you want to make some money in a this highly competitive online world, then you need to stay authentic. You need to be sheepdog. Okay, so because that's what build connection and trust in the audience. All right, now moving forward to the third tip that I have for you is focus on one thing. When starting a new online business or even thinking about making money online, so many ideas and so many options come to your mind, right? And I completely understand this happened with me as well, that when getting started and you don't have a right audience. And I completely understand because this happened with me as well, that when getting started and you do not have a right guidance, you would naturally tend to try and test different things. And no offense to anyone hustling out there trying different things to reach your financial goals. If you actually want to success in a long run in an online world, you need to choose one niche and specialize in that. Like I started working online by selling solo ads in a make money online niche, and with time I learned and perfected in 6 years into I get an opportunity of helping 1,000+ solo ad vendors in automating their business. And if you want to learn more about how my course can help you to make $3,000 to $5,000 per month, you can join my solo ad business blueprint training for free. Okay, the link is in the description box below. And now the fourth way to have a successful online business is automate. Yep, automation is really important for any kind of business. And with a growing technology, you can automate almost every process from emails to lead generation or like everything, right? Even if you think you are not a tech savvy or if your processes need more human touch, then you can actually outsource. Okay, many small and medium sized businesses depend on outsourcing for their main processes like social media management, maybe website designing, or maybe email marketing. And lastly, to develop a highly sustainable and a long term online business, you need to have multiple income streams in your business. And this is really important. See, you need to have funds to keep your business running. but you cannot solely rely on a personal funds or loans to run and grow your business. You constantly need a steady flow of income in your business. You need to build a multiple stream of income that can actually support your core business. And this is crucial, especially if you are in the initial stage of just starting your online business. So, if you are really interested in learning how to generate multiple income streams and build your own profitable online business that can actually sustain for a very long time, I have this opportunity for you where you can actually learn a new business model that can help you to generate a stable online income of $3,000 to 5,000 US dollar per month. All you have to do is to just click the link in the description box below and sign up for my solo ad business blueprint for free. And in this training, you will learn 97 US dollar worth of knowledge on how to make 3,000 to 5,000 US dollar with zero experience and with zero technical skills. Okay, so even if you are new to the online world or you do not have any skills and you just know how to use computer, that is more than enough. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this training, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Hopefully you will find this video helpful and I will come back with more stuff like this. So stick around and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, cheers, bye bye.